referee yan, bay.
And Clark Tiburon will be playing 1v1.
1 to 8 lang, bay.
1 to 8 lang to.
Bay, depensa.
Okay lang yan. Marap lang.
Napakatapang muna tao. Bilib ako sa kakayahan mo.
Bay. Referee yan, ha? May referee yan, bay. Laro lang.
Piso lang po yan. Piso. It's Clark. Clark. Clark to post up at time. As he speaks strategical. Sabi, dikit ang gas. Oh, with a pull up.
Rebound! Bang! 1-0. 1-0. Almut agad.
Ano yung announce natin is winner's ball or
Sub. Kaya nga, natatakot ko.
Leroy for Clark.
Ino mo, bakbakan mo.
Oh, one-day contract si Leroy sa JCI Manila. It's an import versus export. Import versus export.
Ulo! Takot! Uy! Ulo!
And, oh, bonus line now.
Rebound, pre! Foul. That's foul, bro. That's foul. Pre, who's over, Jakamer. Pasok. Hoy! Ay! Red foul! Walang foul! Walang magawa, foul talaga. Abang na referee. Ang dami referee. Bang! Depensa, ganun lang. Depensa. Time out.
2-1 is the score. Namang si Bosatan yung isa. Leroy has it. Leroy.
Kung ino mo, pwede sa lang. Oy! Rebound! Ala! Oh, come on!
Foul on Leroy. Foul Leroy daw. Foul Leroy.
Leroy.
That's all the game you're in Boston's territory. So, it's your foul.
Rebound! Depensa! Oy! Wala! Sumusunod si referee. Yeah, tawagin niyo siya ng maayos para maano. Tawagin niyo siya ng drafting din ngayon. Para todo ko seryoso.
Bosatan, tutuan at tutuan. 2-1.
Lahat pabura.
Bosatan has it. Bosatan!
Gago. Time out, pre. Galing mo, pre. Shooter ka doon, pre. 3-1, lamang ka. Oh, galit siya, guys.
Lamang ng dalawa si Bosatan. First player to make 8 points.
Pensa!
Leroy.
Pensa! Uy! Wala! Trafficking! Uy, wala pa! Ano? Kung inatay mo, nag-aalis na naman. Kung ina mo, nakakas.
Ay, nagkamasahin ba? Si Bosatan, ha? Tingnan nyo. Si Bosatan is up by 4-1.
Kaya, 4-1.
4-1.
Ina mo, lumit mo.
Leroy, you're down by 3. 4-1. Leroy. Bangga si Leroy. Basta tayo.
Bang silog. Rebound! Pesa lang, honesty. Hop! Bang! Oh! Oh! Ay! 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 Bang mo yan, laro na kasi. Oh! Bawag.
Isa lang. Isa lang lamang ni Boss Atan. 4-3. 4-3. Lamang ka pa rin, Boss Atan. Lamang ka pa rin, Boss Atan. 4-2.
Galing siya, guys.
Pati ako yung away na.
Bang! Pesa! Ipesa pa rin, honesty. Honesty lang. Honest lang. Oh! Oh! Ito, ito.
Leroy. You're down by 1, Leroy. You're down by 1.
Ito, referee, takot kaya ata na.
4-3.
Hop!
There is Boss Atan.
Rebound!
Boss Atan misses Leroy, gets the rebound.
Malay. Hop, hop, may bala. Oh. Bang! Hoy! 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 Huwag ka ba nabak? Ay, doon na tayo.
Okay, it's a tie ball game. It's a tie ball game.
All ball, bro. Let's go. Go, Leroy. Sarap.
4 points na, 4 points.
All ball. Defense kasi. Pinapagbigyan mo eh. Tsaka Amer. Yun o. Scatter.
Boss Atan. Boss Atan.
Patay ka sa mga yan. Hop. Spin.
That is good.
Hop.
Look at those premier handles.
Rebound. Bang! Oh, ano yun? Tangina. Eh, ba't yan? Oh, oh, bawal. 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 Bang!
That's not a travel. Boss Atan did not travel. He went to an expedition. Okay? He went to an expedition. That's not a
Bawal
travel.
na yan. Bawal na yan, pre. Laro yan. Tawa mo ko. Ah, ganon. Ayaw mahawak. Tabla na, tabla. Bakit kasi pre, kailangan ano? Walang dayaan. May referee na eh.
Wala siyang coach, meron siyang coaches. Guys, eto bola mo. So guys, palapalan na natin si John, guys.
Bago. Tutuloy.
Leroy.
Bakit na bola? Ayun, bola oh.
Ayan.
Bola.
Guys, even si Boss Atan, siya namimili ng bola. That's how powerful this guy is. And here we go, John. John with the fake. John with the take.
Amo lang.
5-4.
Oy! Dami na sayang! Ugamot! Di ba yun? Uy! Galing! Bang! Ay na! Iyak siya, guys!
4. Ay, tama, 6-4.
6-7!
Legends.
Anak ni Jaworski.
Eto, Boss Atan, anak ng PBA legend. Etong mga...
Ayan, right. Alam ko. Gopings. Gopings versus Gopings, oh. Gwapo versus gwapo. Kaya mo yun, pre.
Last na palit. Sinulugi.
Pogi versus Pogi, ah.
This is the last na ba? Okay guys, last substitution na po ito Last subs kasi lugi naman si Boss Atan. Again, the score is 6-4. 6-4. Lamang ang JCI. Boss Atan!
Ano? Uwi na.
Is that a 1-pointer or 2-pointer? 2-pointer now, folks! We are tied at 6.
All na, all!
All 6 na. All 6. And ayan na. Face-up defense na. This is what we call a face-up defense.
Layo
Boss
ka.
Atan. Boss Atan.
Akin to. Time out. Sabi ko na eh. Ano? Wow! Putan daya. Panis! Tawa rin siya. Ano tawag dun? Utakan ko siya. Lakas mo po. Tama mo na, tabag. Ayot muna.
Robbie, that was a really, nakita mo yung process.
Wait.
Boss Atan is a 7-6 is the score. Okay?
Bang bang! Bang! 1 point. Bigay boy! Ay! Wala! Ah! Daya! Olas! Sa kanya! Bro.
Okay.
Leave screen.
Alright, guys. Sa free again.
But, be careful because... Para he will pass.
Okay, kaya lang si Boss Atan. A foul! There was a foul during the timeout!
May pull yun.
Wait! Oh my, that is the first time in history there was a foul during the timeout break. That's why bola ni Boss Atan. First time ever in history. Oh,
Diba? Wah! Hala! Puta ng gigil! Ulti! Sayang mo! Sayang! Sayang! May ano parang si San ah.
and foul! Foul si Robby, no? Foul Robby. Okay, foul si Robby. There's a play. May play dito, folks.
Tumira!
Look at that! And bola ni...
Benza! Benza ka! End!
Bola ni Robby? Bola niya. Okay, last score na to, ha? Last player
Wow.
score. Robby for the win!
Rebound!
Sportman! And...
Bada!
That is the reason why this is the Olympic gold medalist.
Night night! Night night!